Hey, this is a part 2 video talking about Essential Rewards Kit. I just done one talking about the Thieves Essential Reward Kit and all the products you can get and getting additional discount off. And now I'm going to talk about the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards Kit. So if you're getting monthly Essential Rewards subscription wellness box that you can pick what you order every month, and if you're running out of Ningxia Red, that is like a super food fruit drink made from wolfberries from China, from an area that people can live way past 100 years old. So what's in here, instead of counting how many blueberries you're eating for antioxidant or other things to support your general health, you drink that. It has all these different benefits, eye health. It kind of equals a lot of veggies and fruits and stuff. So, and supports your all the body systems. So we drink 1 or 2 ounces every day. If I'm traveling, I drink more. If I'm tired in the afternoon, I might drink a little bit more. And so when we run out, instead of just buying like 1 bottle, the cost is more. So I order, when I do a bundle package on my monthly order. So I get 4 bottles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I get 4 bottles plus 30 single packets, 2 ounces. And this I can bring when I travel or just carry with me. So I get all of that, and it's just a way to buy it. It's cheaper per ounce to buy this kit than just ordering 2 bottles. So if you bought 4 bottles and this packet, if you just bought them all individually, I just bought 4 bottles and this packet, it would cost me $217.75. But if I buy the kit, the 4 bottles and the packets, now that will last for a really long time, it would cost $187. So I would be saving $30, which is almost like a cost of one of the bottles. And again, if you're only drinking 1 ounce, this will last a long time. So this is when you want to buy like a bundle. You want to buy in bulk to save money, to have your product for months and months and months later. And we were running out. So instead of just ordering 1 bottle or ordering 2 bottles, when I'm running out, I'll order the 4 plus this, and then I'm good for months and months and months. So it's just another great way to save money. And sometimes people don't realize that's an option if you're on the monthly subscription program. And the pluses, so remember I said the total would be $187. That's not something you do every month. You would just do when you need it. But if you $187, then you add like what I add, maybe like a lip balm, which is like $4 something, because I love it, because I carry that with me every day. I would hit the 190 PV order for the month. Then I get all this wonderful free products because I hit the 190. So I might end up with like 4 free essential oils, plus the percentage that I earn back. So I'm earning 25% back. So, okay, I'm not good with math. Someone who's good with math can figure this out. Sorry, I should have figured it out ahead of time. But if I order this kit this month on my monthly order, and I add the lip balm, then I've hit 190. That's one of those PV, one of those levels where you get a certain amount of free products. So I might get 3 or 4 free essential oils or something just because I hit 190 that one month. Plus I get my 25% back from that order that is free points that I can use to buy other stuff. So it's just a way to save money and still use the products that you love. So if you have any questions, let me know. All right, have a good evening.